Hi everyone today. I'm glad you dropped in to Gaga's Cooking, and today we're going to be making a Nacho Grande, my version of a Nacho Grande. Everybody has a different one, but this one really is good. And also, for a while we're going to be making dishes that you can take to homecomings and church functions and things like that. Now that everything's getting back to normal, I think we all need to. It looks like a lot of ingredients, but it's just the way I've got it. You have to have 2 packages of the powdered taco sauce, onions, cheese, peppers, meat. I'm putting a few water chestnuts in there. This is diced tomatoes. This is a can of chili beans and black beans and some salsa. And we'll probably throw a little bit of sriracha in there. And let me get started. I like a dish like this because it's very versatile, and you can eat on it when if it's not finished today, it'll be finished tomorrow. It's that kind of dish. I went to the grocery store this week and things are going up so high. I think we're all going to have to start worrying about meats and cutting back on meats. That's what I'm going to do. Well, now that we're going to add our ingredients, I use McCormick taco sauce. It's just one of my favorite. McCormick's is usually my favorite on everything. And the tomatoes. You leave the liquid on the tomatoes. And green chilies. These are mild. Medium. They're medium. And your beans, peppers, black beans, this is the water chestnuts. I did chop them up a little bit more than they come, and onions. And for a little bit of moisture, I'm using 1.5 cups of the salsa. It calls for It calls for tomato sauce, but I use the sauce. I just thought that would be better. And I had that half of carton left, so I just threw it in. Okay. And I'm gonna put a couple how do you do's with sriracha. So we're going to let it cook for a few minutes and we'll be back. Well, our Nacho Grande is ready to take off and assemble. Now I put a layer of the nacho cheeses in here. You get all kinds of nachos. They're hot, whatever. And just pick the nachos that you want. And I've tasted this, and it's out of this world. Oh, it smells so good. I like corn chips with it too. You may even rather have corn chips than the nachos. It's just up to you. You know, things like this are just up to each individual. And on this individual, we'll put cheese. And you will see that it's going to melt right in. I've got room for it in the oven, but I think it's going to have to sit here for a few minutes anyway. So, decorate it in a little bit, and that way the nachos will be ready and the cheese will be melted and our time will be spent wisely. Well, you can see how pretty it is. I'm going to taste it just a minute, make sure we got plenty of salt and everything. Plus, I can't wait much longer to eat it. Tomatoes, fresh onions. I'll put sour cream later. You know, and you can take this and it can be eaten cold too. Well, of course, it's delicious. Well, I forgot my lettuce, didn't I? Do it your way. Take it to a family gathering, church gathering. Take an extra bag of nachos and enjoy. We've had a wonderful day. I've enjoyed doing this. Remember the joy, and we'll see you soon.